AI can take plain text and turn it into a fully voiced, professional-looking video. And right now, the people who understand how to use this technology are getting ahead. If you're still doing everything manually, you're wasting time. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create YouTube videos using AI, step by step. We're going to use Murph AI, a tool that generates high-quality voiceovers and lets you combine them with visuals to create full videos. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to take a script and turn it into a ready-to-upload YouTube video, all without speaking a single word yourself. Step 1. Set up Murph AI. First, you need to create a Murph AI account. If you don't already have one, go to their website and sign up for a free account. You can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, Slack, or just a regular email. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the Murph AI dashboard, which is where all of your projects will be created and stored. And if you're wondering how much this costs, you can start with a free plan where you can try different features without committing to anything. If you're happy with everything and want to use Murph AI more regularly, you can upgrade to their creator, business, or enterprise plans. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. So on the dashboard, the main homepage is where you'll manage your projects. You can create new ones, organize them into folders, and even invite other people to collaborate. If you're working with a team or outsourcing parts of your content, this is helpful because it lets multiple people work on the same project. There's also a section called Shared with Me, which is where you'll find any projects that others have given you access to. If you're not sure where something is, check there first. Another important feature is the pre-built templates. These give you a quick way to start a project without having to set everything up from scratch. If you want to see what Murph AI can do before jumping in, I recommend exploring these templates. Finally, there's a trash section, which works just like the trash on your computer. If you accidentally delete a project, you can recover it from here instead of starting over. Step 3. Create a project. Now that you know how to navigate the dashboard, let's create your first project. Click on Home and then on Create Project, and give it a title. You can name it anything, but for this tutorial, just call it Test, so we can keep things simple. Once you've created your project, you'll be taken to a blank workspace. This is where we're going to bring everything together: your voiceover, your visuals, and your background music. Step 4. Pick a voice. The first thing you need to do is choose a voice. Click on Explore AI Voices. Murph AI has a huge library of AI-generated voices, and you can filter them based on different criteria. You can select voices by accent, language, gender, and even age. If you want your video to sound professional and polished, you might go with a neutral, authoritative voice. If you want something more casual, you can choose a voice that sounds friendly and conversational. I'll pick English US for the language, male for the gender, and conversational for the style. Now Murph will show me the relevant voices. Before making a decision, listen to a few samples. Every voice in Murph AI has a play button next to it. Click on it to hear how it sounds. Take your time with this step because the voice you choose is what your audience will hear throughout your video. If the tone doesn't match your content, it can make your video feel off. Once you've chosen a voice, you can adjust how it sounds. Murph AI lets you tweak the pitch, speed, and even the emotion of the voice. This is really useful because different types of videos need different tones. If you're making an educational video, you might want a steady, clear voice. If you're making a promotional video, you might need something more energetic. Play around with the settings until the voice sounds right for your content. Step 5. Add text. Now it's time to add your script. If you already have a script written, just copy and paste it into the text box. If you're starting from scratch, you can type directly into Murph AI. You can use ChatGPT to write a script to speed up the process. Once your script is in, you'll want to make sure the voiceover sounds natural. AI-generated voices can sound robotic if you don't fine-tune them. One of the best ways to improve the flow of the voiceover is by adding pauses. Natural speech has pauses for emphasis and breaks between sentences. If the AI is reading your script too quickly, it won't sound realistic. To fix this, highlight a section of text, click Add Pause, and choose how long you want the pause to be. Short pauses work well for normal sentences, while longer pauses help emphasize key points. Another important tool is the pronunciation editor. Sometimes AI voices don't pronounce words correctly, especially names, brands, or technical terms. If you notice something sounds off, double-click the word, go to pronunciation, and adjust it. You can either choose from preset variations or spell the word out phonetically so the AI gets it right. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in making your voiceover sound professional. Step 6. Create a video. Once your voiceover is finalized, it's time to add visuals. Click Add Media, and you'll have two options. Under My Media, upload your own images and videos, or use Murph AI's stock library under Stock Images. If you don't have your own footage, the stock library is incredibly useful. Let's say your script is about travel. You can type beach or mountains into the search bar, and it will show you relevant video clips. Select the ones that fit your content and drag them onto the timeline. The key here is making sure your visuals match what's being said. If your voiceover is talking about technology, don't show random nature clips. Keep everything relevant. You can adjust the duration of each clip so it syncs perfectly with the voiceover. Just drag the edges of the clip on the timeline until it lines up correctly. To make your video more engaging, you can also add background music. Murph AI has a built-in library of royalty-free tracks that you can use. Click the music option, browse through the available tracks, and choose one that fits the mood of your video. If your content is fast-paced, pick something upbeat. If it's more relaxed, choose a slower, ambient track. Once you've added the music, lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. You can also trim the track to match the length of your video. Step 7. Export the final video. Click the Export button in the top right corner, and Murph AI will give you different format options. If you only need the voiceover, you can export it as an audio file. But since we're creating a full video, choose the option that includes both the voiceover and visuals. Some export features, like higher resolution, might require a paid plan, so keep that in mind. And that's it. You've just created a complete YouTube video using AI. No expensive equipment, no complicated editing, no recording your own voice. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to produce high-quality content. Now that you know how to do this, think about how you can use it. You could create explainer videos, educational content, or even start a faceless YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Have you tried using AI to create videos before? Will you be trying it now? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.